Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guy channel, and I'm gonna start once more fresh. So this video is for beginners. This is part one. There will be a series of videos which will cover everything. So we're gonna talk about very basics for everyone who hasn't learned Excel, who are very new, who has no knowledge of that. So you can continue, check this out video. All right, so we're gonna start now. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now, so you're gonna get the whole series you're gonna be learning. So we'll talk about the very basic, like this is I'm working on Excel 2016 format, and the basics I'm gonna be introducing in this video. So let's get started. First thing I would like to talk about is the tabs, right? So this is called tab. Home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, all those things are called tabs. And inside this, all those functions are called keys. Key, okay, keys. So all are the keys. So first I will be typing, it will be easier for you guys. That is tab, all those things, and then keys. Under the tabs there are keys like this, and this thing where the key I have written is called cell. So the work whole sheet or workbook is made of all cells, right? So there are cells here. You can call this one particular is a cell, and if you count it like this from A, B, C, this is called column or columns, okay? And if you count from here 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and that goes your row. So basically now you know this is things are called tab, and these things are called down there is keys. This is whole one thing is called cell, the columns, which is A, B, C, D, E, like that, and 1 2 3 4 5 is your row. And if you want to know the how many rows and how many columns are there, you can just control and press down arrow. You will reach the last row. This is your last row. If you want to go to the last column, you can press also arrow right side, you will go to the last. Then again, to go back home tab, you can press the home key from your keyboard. Okay, so this was the basic introduction, and there are two more things, like these things called sheet, the worksheet, and this whole thing is called workbook, which you save after you're working. All right, so workbook, sheet, and all those things. Now I'm going to be introducing the home tab, the first tab, and the keys which are inside, the basic functions of those. So let's begin. The first key here is the paste. It will not work unless you do copy. So you need to do copy. The shortcuts will appear automatically when you bring your cursor to that particular icon. So Control C. Example, if I want to copy this, Control C, and I can paste it anywhere. I keep my cursor here and I click on paste. It is pasted. Now that's you Caesar you see is Control X. It removes from one place to another. So Control X, or you can click here and you can paste it anywhere like that. So the data is removed from one place to another place. And this is called format painter. It will change the data is the same way as if you want to change it to the particular data, same like if you have a highlighted color, and also there is a font color. So if you want to fill color, you want to change this same as that, so you can use format painter. You need to bring your cursor here, click on format painter, and just leave it here. So you see both looks alike. And then down there is a clipboard. When you open clipboard, if anything you have copy or cut, it will appear here. Example, I'm gonna be showing you. I say I did this copy, now it's appearing here Wednesday. All right, so this is your clipboard, and if I paste it here like this, I can paste again from here as well, rather than copying, and clipboard helps you paste like this. Okay, moving on to the next. This is your font types. You can change your font type. Let me highlight one. You have many options of your fonts. Okay, any font you can make. And there is a font size, you can increase or decrease from here, any font size you want to keep. Here you have option of keeping it bold, like you select the whole thing, or any particular bold like this. This is for italic. Yeah, it looks beautiful in italic. Then this is for underline like this. And next we have is for border. If you want to put a border like that, you can go here. You have many options in it. All border is this, and thick border outside is like that. So, and now why is coming in the red color? Because I have already chosen earlier this line color. If I change it to automatic, it should change all black. Okay, so these are the line colors. You can draw border as well. So these things works all about border and lining, all these things. Okay, now you have the option of color fill. If you want to fill a color in any particular cell or on more than one cell, then you can directly go. Now it's taking, see, it's like if you click anywhere, it will give you the border line. So how do you remove that? You need to go again that line border, click here, it should remove one more time when you do that. Or you can just click on no border, it will remove. You want to do border again, all borders. Okay, now what we are talking about is filling the color. You can fill, choose any color you want, like this. Then next we have a text color. You want to change the color text, you can do like this. You have many options here. Okay, here is the size, increase and decrease. You can increase the font size by highlighting any, like this. You can decrease like that. Okay, so far if you're getting, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, your big guide. And next we have alignment section. These things are inside the tab. These keys, they have a particular section, like first one is clipboard, second is font, third is alignment, number, style, cells, and editing. So we have covered so far clipboard, font. Now we're talking about alignment, is how do you align your data. Okay, we have 6 functions over there. How they work is to, if any data, if it is down or in the middle, you can bring it up, bring in middle, bring it down. So, and you can adjust left, right, and in the center and up. Okay, this is for alignment. You can also align text like this, like example this. You move it to left or right, that is for right. Now you can move it to left. So this is how you also can arrange. Also you have vertical and rotate text clockwise, anti-clockwise, like this. So this is pretty good just to explore, it's nice things. Yeah, it's cool, right? You have many options here, more. Once you open this alignment section like this, you will be having options of alignment, font, border, fill protection, whatever. All those things are there in alignment section, it will come there. You can also put it like this if you have to. Okay, now you have an option of wrap text. Example for this, I will show you how this works. Wrap text is, if I do wrap text and I close it, so it will merge automatically, it will wrap up. Okay, and if it is not wrap text and if I close this like this, it is hidden. So this is how the wrap text work. And merge and center, you have 4 options here. You can unmerge, merge across, means like this, same as merge and center. Merge across is the same, like that. So this was all about alignment, and now we're moving on to numbers. Here this is more about formatting. Like example, this is the number, is in general. You have options of putting it in number. Let me increase, so it will show like that. Then you have currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, if you want to put in like this, or you can make it in text. Basically general remains the same. So usually if you need to change any formatting of the text, you can go for number formats here. And you want to put a symbol of dollar, euro, or percentage, decrease or increase decimals, all this in here. Like if I make it number, now I want to increase or decrease, this is how I can do it, like this. Hope you're getting it so far. Now we talk about condition formatting in the next, which is style. In condition formatting, there are multiple options like highlighting cell rules, top bottom rules, data, color scale, icon set. new rule, manage rule, or clear rule, if there are any already rules are there. So I will just show you one or two highlighted set rules. Example, if anything you want to highlight, which is, let's say this section we are taking, highlight is greater than any value which is greater than, you can put any value here. Like example, anything which is above 80, it should be highlighted in any color you want. So above